Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodie Mermaid and this month we are celebrating Tim Burton and today we did The Corpse Bride. So to start with, we put the contact lenses in first because when I put contacts in, it kind of messes up my makeup. I tend to pull my eye down and my eyes sometimes water. So because it's blue, I decided to put them in first. It also makes my nose run. And then we started painting the face blue. I just used a Snazaroo face paint from Amazon and a makeup brush. Added a little bit of water. I then put this all around my face. This isn't the face paint that we're going to go with. This is just the first coat. I then got a beauty blender and put it all over some grey makeup. Again, it's Snazaroo face paint from Amazon. Just kept layering it over my face until I was happy with the colour. I then dipped my beauty blender in white face pen, again Snazaroo from Amazon, and started putting it all over my face just to make the face paint a little bit more lighter. I then took a black eyeshadow and a brush and started hollowing out my cheeks, my cheekbones, and I took it down to the bottom of my jaw as well. I also put a little bit of shading on my forehead. I then took a white pressed powder and put it under my eyes, my nose, and also my forehead, just to highlight those areas. I then started filling in my nose with black face paint. I just drew some small triangles. And then I took white face paint and put them on my bottom lid. And I also coloured in my bottom lashes in white as well. I then took black face paint and filled in to make it look like the bottom eyeliner. I then added blue eyeshadow to the top of my lids. I got this makeup palette from Amazon. I then, where I put black face paint, used black eyeshadow and smoked it out a little bit and tried to blend it in a little bit more just to drag my eyes to make it look like they were a little bit longer and bigger. I then started filling in my eyebrows. I used liquid eyeliner. I did small points in the inner bit and then just followed my usual eyebrow line. I did try and make them look a little bit more thinner. My eyebrows are odd, I know. They've always been that way. I can't change it, okay? I then used a lip liner and filled in all of my lips. I didn't really change the shape, I just followed the usual shape of my lips. And then I added some lip gloss just to make it look a bit more glossy. I then got some dramatic eyelashes and cut them in half, and I used one of the halves on my bottom eyelids, and I used a full eyelash on my top. These are also from Amazon. I used liquid latex to stick them on because I couldn't find any eyelash glue. Liquid latex works fine. I then drew the small detail. It kind of looks a little bit like a fish. You couldn't really see it once we added the wig, but I just wanted to add the detail, and we also added the detail of the cracked head. I used liquid eyeliner and then I used black eyeshadow to smoke out the middle. I then added the blue dark wig. Last time we did this look we used a light blue wig, but my friend Nacho suggested we use this colour and it worked just fine. This is also from Amazon. I also added a white veil, also from Amazon. The dress I've had for a couple of years. I wore it to a Christmas do. I'm not sure where it's from. And then I added these cute little skull hand clips from Sainsbury's in the UK. I'm pretty sure you could pick them up from Shein. And I added flower detail that I had from a fake plant from IKEA around my house. And that is the final look of the Corpse Bride. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time for our celebration of Tim Burton with Scream Stream's Jodie Mermaid. Thank you. Bye.